Hello guys, now I will destroy this room heater, Fuego room heater, that is with touch screen. I will destroy it to take some parts, some high voltage negative ion generator here, and some fans, some resistors, and also the pump that is inside. So first, let's see this paper filter. Careful, do it with a mask. So this is the filter that is with this here, that goes on this, and is the water deposit here. The water flow from up to the down side, filter it, so the dust that is accumulated here, it gets cleaned up in this water deposit. So guys, this is the deposit that was 5 liters, and you can see here is the pump, water pump, 240 volts, 50 hertz, 8 watt water pump, that you can use it even in fish tanks, so you can recycle it. So guys, this is the room heater, is rated power 65 watt up to 2000 watts, is 220 to 240 volts, 50 hertz, is air cooler but even heater. So guys, you can see here the power input. It goes into this switch here. It goes into this touchscreen pocket. Always before you operate, you should remove from power, so to do not get shocked. So here is the negative ion generator and high voltage generator. You can see here this touchscreen MOBO, and even those terminals, 2 relays, capacitors, inductors, fuses, diodes, resistors, transistors here, circuit. And here is the motor of fan blower, and there is the heater. So guys, this is the heating element. This is in air position, cold air position, and when this is closed, this is for heating elements position. So you can see the heating elements are just some MOVs, metal oxide resistors, that get heated up when are overvolted. You can see here, you may have noticed on those old previous videos that I have made, even in those silicone pistols that are used for hot silicone glue. So guys, the meaning here was to show you how the wires are connected. You can see the packet from here. It have a microcontroller, and you can see how they are connected. Those that are here are for power connection. You can see it have this synchronous motor. So guys, this synchronous motor is for the fan blade inside that get turned right left to spread the hot air in all the room, even the cold air in all the room, and is changed by this synchronous motor here. You can see is 2.5 up to 3 rotation per minute, and it says 220 volts, 200 volt, 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, 4 watts. So guys, this is also what I have recycled from this old room heater. You can see all those 12 LEDs here, and this LCD LED monitor So guys, the movement of the synchronous motor was like this. It was a circular here, and it moves it by the synchronous motor, and it goes up and down like this way, or left and right if it's suited by my view here. So guys, this is the negative ion generator, and it says 180 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, 1 watt, and is negative 2 up to negative 4.5 kilovolt DC. Negative ion generator. Huachun. So guys, this is the motor of this fan, big fan of this room heater and room cooler, and also have this 1.2 microfarad, 5%, 450 volt AC capacitor, 50 to 60 hertz. So don't throw it directly, but take those parts, open up to take those good parts before you do scrapping and garbaging those stuff. If you deal with electronics, sure, because if you don't have time to do electronics or science, you don't have to, so throw it or give it to your neighbor who deal it with them, so they need them. Sorry for focusing. So guys, I will obtain even those switches here and this power resistor here that is 2000 watt. So guys, I also have opened up this heating element. It have also a fuse, a thermal fuse here. You can see is hidden in the side of the heater element. So guys, it have one phase and two neutrals, so is with two switches, so two type of powers, 1 kilowatt and 2 kilowatt when they are both in parallel. You can see here the jumper that is from this fuse. It goes here into the primary of internal entry of the heating element. So if they are connected as the jumper is connected, the neutrals, it is in parallel. But if one of these is connected only, it is just one of them in parallel. So if in the red the power doesn't exist, but you power one of those blue, and in the other one you put a neutral, so you have connected this in series. So guys, in the final we have obtained this board with some capacitors, inductors, diodes, resistors, different values, transistors, many of them, circuits, MOVs, fuses, and even controllers here. We have LED, a bunch of them, a switch with light indicator, because it was with light, or not. I don't think is with light, because it doesn't have a neutral, as I have mentioned to you before in my videos. This is the limit switch. This is the motor that you can scrap it or just take it, the capacitor that is for starting this motor here. You can see you can have this ion generator. So this is the high voltage probe lead, sorry, and those are the positive and negative side, so phase and neutral of this ion generator. I will do some videos about this, but with the time. Well guys, you can see even here a synchronous motor, this high power heating element. You can use it as a dummy load, this power connector. Well guys, have a nice day, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment. Bye guys, stay safe. And always be careful to do not operate them when they are plugged in potential. Bye guys, stay safe.